Walking into a perfectly organized home feels like taking a deep breath after a long day. Welcome back to Need It Now. Today, we are counting down 20 essential Amazon organization gadgets and storage hacks that are redefining home efficiency for 2026. Imagine a world where every item has its place. Whether you are battling a cramped kitchen or a messy closet, these clever finds turn clutter into a curated masterpiece. We selected the most aesthetic tools that make tidying up feel like a high-end lifestyle upgrade. Utilizing invisible storage and smart modular systems, get ready to transform your home. Let's get started. End the chaotic search through messy piles scattered across your floor. This sleek rolling station provides 4 distinct compartments to separate fabrics by color or type instantly. Heavy-duty steel prevents sagging, while smooth casters bring the entire unit directly to your washer. Side pockets hold smaller items, ensuring nothing gets lost in the shuffle. Grab this essential home transformation for $49.99. Banish discomfort leaning over heavy pages during peak focus hours. Premium wooden pedestals provide sophisticated solutions for hands-free reading, featuring fully customizable heights and angles protecting posture. Integrated bases rotate smoothly in complete circles, making it effortless to pivot views or share content. Tough extendable clips manage thick cookbooks and massive textbooks, keeping every chapter perfectly flat. Beneath the platform, clever storage nooks organize favorite pens plus small essentials. Transform desks into professional sanctuaries with this aesthetic addition at $27.76. Say goodbye to the cluttered collection of plastic bottles crowding your shower ledges and corners. This sleek wall-mounted distribution system streamlines your daily routine by housing shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in one elegant unit. Crafted from durable, drop-resistant materials, each transparent chamber allows you to monitor liquid levels at a glance, while the precision pump prevents wasteful leaks. Installation is remarkably simple, creating a stable fixture that clears your countertops instantly for a clean, minimalist aesthetic. Whether upgrading a master bath or organizing a busy guest suite, this locking system brings hotel-level luxury and efficiency to your private sanctuary. Secure this functional home improvement for $29.43. Replace bulky cardboard boxes and mismatched plastic bags with these crystal-clear storage vessels. This set of 2 high-capacity containers brings a cohesive designer look to your laundry shelf while keeping essentials like pods and scent boosters within reach. Crafted from shatterproof acrylic with eco-friendly wooden lids, they offer a safer and more durable alternative to glass. Wide mouth openings make refilling effortless, and the included minimalist labels ensure every item has a dedicated spot. These elegant jars transform messy utility zones into organized, serene spaces. Invest in this impactful small change for $19.99. Tired of the footwear fortress blocking your entryway? This revolutionary one-piece folding structure eliminates complex assembly, popping into a full-size storage unit in seconds. 9 robust levels featuring 36 dedicated compartments protect everything from delicate heels to rugged boots within a sleek, dust-proof enclosure. Unlike traditional racks, this high-grade integrated frame supports significant weight while maintaining a modern aesthetic that fits any room or closet. Clear doors allow for instant selection, turning your shoe collection into an organized gallery display. Upgrade your home with this massive space-saving solution for $161.49. Stop struggling with messy linen piles that collapse the moment you reach for a fresh pillowcase. These innovative, rigid organizers replace flimsy fabric bags with a solid structure that protects your expensive sheets from wrinkles and dust. Crafted from high-grade, transparent materials, each bin features clear side windows so you can identify queen or king sets instantly without unfolding everything. The elegant leather handles allow you to slide them off high shelves with ease, while the stackable design maximizes every inch of your vertical closet space. Whether you are storing heavy duvet covers or delicate table linens, these waterproof containers maintain a crisp and uniform look in your wardrobe. They even fold flat when not in use to keep your home perfectly streamlined. Secure this premium organization upgrade for $39.99. Searching for specific seasonal gear usually involves unstacking heavy boxes and guessing what lies inside each dark corner of your attic. These transparent 40-liter vessels eliminate that struggle by offering a full view of your collection from every single angle without requiring you to pull a zipper. Engineered with heavy-duty waterproof shielding, they protect your delicate quilts and expensive comforters from moisture or dust buildup during long-term storage. The slim profile is a brilliant way to utilize the empty space beneath your bed frame, where standard plastic bins simply cannot reach. Dual reinforced handles provide a secure grip for moving these containers between rooms, while the flexible structure allows them to fold completely flat when your laundry is back in use. You can finally transition from chaotic piles to a beautifully organized library of protected essentials that stays visible and accessible. Gain this level of home efficiency for $14.98. Maintaining a clean vanity or pantry becomes effortless with these crystal-clear vertical bins. This 5-piece modular set features smooth pull-out handles and non-slip silicone pads that keep the outer frame steady while you access your essentials. From baby supplies to office tools, the transparent construction ensures every small item remains visible and organized without the need for messy labels. These shatter-resistant drawers maximize your cabinet height and look elegant on any countertop. Grab this versatile organization upgrade for $44.79. Taming a chaotic linen closet starts with transforming how you stack your delicate fabrics. These gray modular cubes offer a structured sanctuary for individual sheet sets and duvet covers, preventing the typical mess that occurs when pulling items from the bottom of a pile. Triple layers of premium material paired with double woven edges ensure these containers maintain their crisp shape even when stacked to the ceiling. Integrated side windows and removable labels allow you to pinpoint exactly which bedroom set you need without disturbing the rest of your organization. When seasonal rotations are complete, the slim frames fold entirely flat to reclaim your shelf space. Experience this professional-grade coordination for your home at $19.99. Experience a pristine entryway with this sophisticated white furniture piece. Its unique fluted texture and gold-accented legs bring modern luxury to narrow hallways while hiding 20 pairs of footwear within slim flip drawers. Internal adjustable panels customize each compartment for tall boots or summer flats, ensuring every item has a dedicated home. This architectural upgrade balances high-end aesthetics with essential functionality for $89.99. Utilizing the often neglected vertical space behind your plumbing becomes a sophisticated design choice with this rich espresso organizer. Reaching 66 inches in height, this FSC-certified wooden structure provides a discreet sanctuary for private toiletries behind elegant double doors with durable zinc alloy hardware. Internal shelving adjusts seamlessly to house tall skincare bottles or compact medical supplies, shielding every item from bathroom dust and humidity. The intelligent height-adjustable crossbar ensures a perfect fit around existing water pipes, while integrated safety anchors provide absolute stability for busy households. This slim architectural addition transitions your restroom from a cluttered utility zone into a curated personal spa. Secure this refined storage solution for $99.99. Refining your morning routine becomes a luminous experience with this 47-inch wall-mounted sanctuary. 6 integrated LEDs cast a warm glow across dedicated compartments for 75 earrings and 33 necklace hooks, ensuring every gem is perfectly visible. The premium full-length glass eliminates distortion, offering a crystal-clear reflection to coordinate outfits with ease. High-quality MDF construction provides a lockable, secure environment that mounts seamlessly over doors to reclaim valuable floor space. Beyond simple organization, this sleek white cabinet protects your collection from tangles and dust. Acquire this elegant vanity centerpiece for $89.99. Upgrading a cluttered workspace into a high-productivity zone starts with this versatile 5-tier metal mesh system. Featuring sliding trays and dual magazine racks, it expertly separates A4 documents from bulky books without consuming excessive surface area. The integrated drawer and hanging pencil cups keep small tools like scissors or pens within arm's reach while maintaining a professional aesthetic. Built from reinforced steel, this durable black frame offers long-lasting strength for any busy office. Secure this essential desktop improvement for $34.49. Optimizing a cramped bedroom becomes simple with this high-low double rod system. The tiered design provides ample clearance for long dresses and shirts simultaneously, while 4 side hooks secure your daily bags and hats. A sturdy bottom shelf anchors the black steel frame, offering a dedicated spot for shoes or bulky storage bins. Smooth 360-degree wheels glide silently across your floors, locking firmly once in place. This mobile wardrobe solution is yours for $32.99. Organizing a narrow apartment or home office becomes a natural aesthetic choice with this 63-inch tall bamboo tower. Unlike bulky wooden cases, this slim profile rack uses 6 adjustable levels to accommodate anything from oversized art books to delicate potted plants. The waterproof varnish coating protects the sustainable grain from humidity, making it a reliable addition to your bathroom or kitchen setup. Despite weighing less than 20 pounds for easy relocation, each reinforced shelf supports up to 33 pounds without bending. Integrated anti-tip hardware ensures a stable foundation against any wall. Capture this eco-friendly storage upgrade for $76.99. Streamlining your professional commute becomes a stylish endeavor with this 12-pocket expanding file handbag. Far beyond a simple folder, this waterproof tote features a sophisticated double-zipper closure to secure A4 documents alongside dedicated slots for your passport, phone, and essential bank cards. The adjustable shoulder strap and reinforced top handle offer versatile carrying options for busy teachers or executives on the move. Each interior section includes classification labels to ensure your business contracts remain perfectly categorized and accessible. Master this level of workplace efficiency for $31.99. Transforming a cluttered entryway into a high-end sneaker gallery begins with these premium thickened storage cubes. Featuring an upgraded peg lock system, this 6-pack set allows you to build a rock-solid footwear wall that remains perfectly stable without sliding or collapsing. Each unit is engineered with crystal-clear magnetic front doors, providing instant access and visibility while shielding your collection from dust and moisture. The spacious interior comfortably accommodates everything from standing high tops to elegant wedges, ensuring your investment stays in pristine condition. Unlike flimsy alternatives, these reinforced plastic panels offer long-lasting structural integrity for any closet or garage layout. Master your home organization with this professional-grade display for $35.95. Reclaiming 80% of your suitcase volume becomes a reality with this high-performance cordless compression system. This 15-bag combo features a rechargeable 1500 mAh pump that delivers 90 cycles on a single charge via USB. Each tear-resistant PA plus PE pouch seals in seconds, utilizing a powerful 4,000 Pascal suction to flatten bulky sweaters and jackets into slim, airtight layers. The dual-zipper design ensures a permanent vacuum seal that protects your wardrobe from moisture and odors during international transit. Whether you are packing a carry-on or a heavy-checked bag, these semi-transparent organizers provide instant visibility for every outfit. Secure this essential travel efficiency for $33.98. Achieving a flawless vanity or workspace layout is effortless with these 4 compact crystal-clear modules. The vertical stacking design saves immense surface area, while integrated silicone pads ensure every pull remains stable and silent. Shatter-resistant, BPA-free construction provides a dust-free environment for cosmetics, medicine, or office tools. These stylish compartments offer instant visibility for $21.24. Managing bulky household inventory becomes a seamless process with this 3-pack of 48-quart collapsible vessels. These high-impact polypropylene containers feature innovative dual front doors and a removable top lid, allowing you to retrieve specific items without unstacking the entire column. Each unit supports up to 150 pounds of weight, making them ideal for heavy tools or seasonal blankets. Integrated grooves ensure secure vertical alignment, while the included rotating wheels provide effortless mobility across your home or office. When empty, they fold down to just 2 inches in height. Own this heavy-duty organization system for $89.99.